Dawide and Regna? Okay, up. Okay, fine. I'm going to need to help you guys with that. So I'll say the word, say it back to me. Dawide et Regna. Dawide et Regna. Let's try that all together. Dawide et Regna. Divide and rule. Dawide et Regna. Divide and rule. Machiavelli. So Machiavelli is a fellow who lived in Florence during the Renaissance. You actually may learn a little bit about him this year. He wrote his most famous piece of work was a book that was called The Prince. And in that, he talks about political discourses and what political leaders need to do in order to accomplish their goals and desires. It's a very important political work, and you may learn more about it later. Yes, Alana.
So where the Latin is Twitter, and then under it is divide, it's spelled the same.
Yep. So do you think you can see this is not only a definition, but also a derivative? All right. Now, we do have the memory chart, and for the longest time, guys, I've said we do not have to know these noun jobs. These noun jobs are now going to kind of go into the mix as fair game. So I do want you to learn these abbreviations. So if you need to start working on that for your grammar test that we'll have next week, please do. Yes, ma'am. You need to know both. Yes, ma'am. Because do you remember case tells us the noun's job in the sentence? So if it's in the nominative case, it's either the subject noun or the predicate nominative. So I need to know both of those options. Because then I said, okay, it could be subject noun, it could be predicate nominative. How do I figure out which one it is? And I'll teach you some tricks on how we do that. Okay? Now, again, just like the Mensa chart, just like the Ludus chart, we now have the neuter chart. So I'll say the word, you guys say it back to me. Donum, doni, dono, donum, dono, dona, donorum, donis, dona, donis. Gift, of the gift, to or for the gift, the gift, by, with, from the gift. Gifts, of the gifts, to or for the gifts, the gifts, by, with, from the gifts. So that pattern we were talking about, you see it's not going anywhere. So if you know it, then you already know the English part of this chart, don't you? If you don't, you need to work on it some. Yes, ma'am. There is, but I'm not going to teach you to it today. I don't have time. All right? Yeah, because we need to talk a little bit more about it. Okay, friends?